Alright, I finally broke down and bought a TOOB Caddie. I have wanted one for a long time, but I've never actually bought one because most of the ones I've seen have been mostly empty and had very little tubes in them, and the tubes they had in them were mostly old TV tubes, and I was looking for radio tubes, but I just wanted to show you. I finally bought this one because this one has a buttload of tubes in it, and all the tubes keep falling out of the side because the straps are broken, but I just wanted to show you what I really like the most about this TOOB Caddie, other than the fact that it's full of tubes, is it has a tube tester. And look at that, a filament tester, which I think is very cool. I've never seen one that actually had a built-in filament tester in it. I think it's a very good idea. The power connector is missing, but I think I've got one at home that'll fit that. There's more tubes on the side here. Just gonna lift this up. More tubes. Look at that. Take a good close look. They're all different manufacturers. All different types of tubes, all different types of filament ratings. I think what everybody thinks they're going to get when they buy a TOOB Caddie is they're going to have some very expensive power amplifier tubes in them, and something, like, oh my god, that tube's worth like $100, and I don't think that's necessarily true. I think that most of these are radio tubes. There's some bigger TV tubes down below, which I'm not going to get into. I don't want to stretch this out too much. What I might do is, when I get home from this trip, I'll do a spreadsheet of the tubes in here, and if I find anything really unique, I'll probably make a follow-up to this. But I'm still on the road. I'm actually in the parking lot of the hotel filming this. I just wanted to get something posted again, because the last video I posted 3-4 days ago went absolutely nowhere, and nobody's watching it. No, I'm not drunk. I haven't gotten into the beer yet, but it's I need to get the straps fixed on these two side pockets. And no, not every single one of these tubes is brand new, but I'm sure they're okay. I know exactly what the philosophy of this is, which is, if you're working on something and you run across a weak tube, you replace the tube with a good one out of the box, charge them for it, and then you keep the weaker tube in the original box, because you can use it again in an emergency. It's a Westinghouse box. I usually see RCA. RC and Zenith seem to be the most common ones. But I didn't pay a huge amount of money for this, but I paid more than I would normally pay, but only because it was so full of tubes. Just wanted to show you that somebody had taped the handle back up. It's got some splitting on it. It's certainly been used, which I think is neat. It's hard to film this in a parking lot in the back of your car. So anyway, that's what I have. I hope you liked this video, and all I ask is hit the subscribe button so I can continue. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers. I just broke 200, so I'm really quite short where I want to be, but just thought you might find this interesting. Bye.